Hello class, we are doing chapter Glimpses of India, part 2nd Kurg. We are on page number 90, second paragraph. From here you can see, okay, in front of the picture, the fire sleeve. Okay, fire sleeve, meaning of fire sleeve means what? I am writing here, beta, note it down. Fire sleeve is highly. Fire sleeve is highly independent people of Kurg are possibly of Greek. So here it was the atmosphere of the Kurg. Now we will know all about the men. Okay, so who were there, what they do actually. So here you can see that people of Kurg were independently through the mind also, through the profession also. So here the word is Farsi is coming. Farsi means highly. They were highly independent. People of Kurg were highly independent, and they are considered that they are from Greek or Arab. Greek or Arab. In Hindi we can say Arab, but in English we say Arab. Descendant, Uttaradhikari in Hindi. People you can say. So Alexander, as one story goes, two stories are going on you can say in considering or in you can say in understanding of the belonging of the men, from where they are coming. For this question you have the answer that they are coming from two locality, or you can say two descendants. They are from Greek and from Arabic. One story is all about a part of Alexander. Okay, from where Alexander came? Can you tell me? Alexander is just from Greece you can say. So here the thing is just considered what a part of Alexander's army moved south along the coast and settled here. When return became impractical. So what happened? One time what happened? That the Alexander's people, okay, Alexander's people means the people of Greek came here, and they were actually settled here. And simply when they settled here, so simply they married here, and they could not go back to their Greece. So because of they settled here, and they just people married among us the locals, and simply they married here, they settled their life also. Their culture is apparent in the martial tradition, and they are from martial means yodha. Okay, warrior you can say. Martial for the word martial men means yodha. In Hindi you can say warrior in English, and in Hindi you can say yodha. Okay, so they are belonging from martiality. They have the in their blood. Okay, they are warriors. So because of that they were considered that they are the people of Greek. And what is the second story? The second story is all about these people married. Now marriages and religious rites which are distinct from the Hindu mainstream. The theory of Arab. Now the second thing is coming. They are from origin of Arab. How? Draw support from the long, because they wear this type of clothes, and this cloth has been used by the Arabs. You can say by the Arabian people. So that's why here the people are considered, they have two origins, one Greek origin. And for Greek, what is the answer? The answer is that actually what happened, Alexander is just belonging from Greece only, and the people who came here and simply they settled here, they married here and could not go back. So the people are said that their origin is just from Greek. And the second story is going on that they are wearing, their dress is just similar to Arabians. That's why they were called the Arabian origin. So how the dress is, you can identify. Here the thing is written that the dress was long and black coat with an embroidered vest belt. Embroidered means no embroidery. Embroidery means kadhai. You can say no decoration. Vest means kamar. West means Qamar, were worn by the Kodavus. Okay, Kodavus means who? Known as Kufiya. Okay, so Arabians ki dress resembles the Kufiya. Kufiya is the dress of Kufiya. Is the dress of Arabian dress, you can say Arabian dress. It's very important thing to remember. Okay, Kufiya, F is coming. Okay, in Arabian dress, and Kufiya is coming. Kufiya is coming. Suppose Kufiya is coming, so it is the dress of Kodavus. Kodavus. Who is Kodavus? I told you now. Who was Kodavus? Because it is Kurg is called Kudavu. So here the people are called Kodavus. Kodavus mean the people of Kurg. This is also very important thing to remember of Kurg. Okay, it is also very important thing to remember. Keep in mind Kufiya. So Kufiya, as the Arabians wear their dress, Kufiya, it is of Kufiya. Okay, having long frock like this only. So in Arab, this dress is called Kufiya. F is coming, and here in Kurg, it is called Kufiya. Okay, so P is coming here. P is coming. So you can identify which dress is of Kodavus and which dress is of Arabian dress. So because of their dress, the second story is going on that they are originated from Arabian. So this story has been done here. We'll continue in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye and keep revising.